Hello guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. Press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more updates on free online courses and course answer. Also follow us on Telegram, link is given into description. So guys, in this video we will see more than 10 Udemy courses which are paid one but you get at free. I will provide you coupon codes, that's coupon code and link is given into description. So guys, let's get started. The first course is Python Programming Beyond the Basics and Intermediate Training. Learn, think, and hands-on Python intermediate concept and boost your Python development career in short time. This course is complete free. Already 51,401 students enrolled for that course. And this course includes 2.5 hours on-demand video, 8 downloadable sources, access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. And coupon code and link is we upload on our blog, and the link of that blog is given into the description. The second course is SAP for beginners. Get started in SAP the easy way. Learn how to navigate in SAP and how to use SAP. Understand the structure of SAP with easy to follow course. This course is also free. Only 2 days left at this price, and the rating of that course is 4.7. And this course includes 2.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At then you get certificate of that course, and it also includes one article. And the coupon code is limited SAP for free, and the coupon code and link also given into description. The next course is the Python Developer Essential 2021 Immersive Bootcamp. Learn the skills you need to become professional and certified Python developer with its complete training course. Already 87,730 students enrolled for that course, and the rating of that course is 4.3. This course is also completely free. This course includes 5.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. And the coupon code is 3BEA30E1E8C47E 9366C, and that link is also given into description. The next course is Java for beginners. First step towards becoming a Java guru. Become a core Java expert easily and in step-by-step manner. This course is also free. The rating of that course is 4.5, and 40,130 students enrolled for that course. And this course includes 22.5 hours on demand video, 20 articles, 152 download resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At then get certificate of that course, and the coupon code of that course is gift exta43. All the coupon code and link we upload on our blog, and the link of that blog is also given into description. Please check that link and apply for that courses. Thank you.